Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Shopify store step by step. First, log into your Shopify account at shopify.com. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the left side and click on Settings, which is at the bottom of the menu. In the Settings page, choose Plan from the list. This is where you'll see details about your current plan and billing. If you're on a free trial, you won't be charged. But if you have a paid plan, make sure to cancel your subscription so you don't get billed again. Also, if you are using a custom domain, make sure to remove it or transfer it if needed. Shopify will ask you to give a reason for closing your store. Choose one from the list or type your own reason, then click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password to confirm it's you. Type your password and then click Cancel Now. After that, your store will be closed. You'll see a message confirming that your store is deactivated. Shopify keeps your data for a limited time, so if you change your mind later, you can reopen your store by logging back in. Remember, deactivating your store means customers will no longer be able to visit your website. That's the full process. You've now closed your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.